The materials used in this project were aluminum foil, transparency film, black fabric, foam board, wax paper, hot glue. The exterior walls are made out of foam board and held together by hot glue. The aluminum foil and black fabric are being used to absorb heat on the interior walls and floor of the house. Wax paper was used to fill the gaps between the roof and walls. Specific heat is a property of a substance that determines how much heat is needed to raise the temperature by 1 degree Celsius. Black fabric has a low albedo. Black is a dark color, therefore it absorbs more heat faster than lighter colors. A conductor is a material which permits a flow of energy. Aluminum is a good conductor. It allows heat to pass through it quickly. Aluminum has a low specific heat of 0.9. The foam board has a relatively high specific heat of 1.3 and is an insulator. Thermal energy is the sum of all the kinetic energy in an object. The house has a high thermal energy due to the sun's rays being absorbed by the black fabric and aluminum. Albedo is the amount of the sun's light that is reflected. The outside, which is made out of foam board, has a high albedo because the light color makes the light reflect off. The inside, which is made out of a dark material, has a low albedo due to its dark color. The windows are insulated with a layer of transparency film because it's thicker, sturdier, and allows the light to go through it easier. Solar insulation is exposure to the sun's rays. Solar insulation is used in our house with the windows. The roof is angled towards the sun and made out of transparency film, allowing the light to come through it and absorb into the walls. This will absorb the heat. The sun will be positioned at 25 degrees, representing the winter solstice, and 75 degrees, representing the summer solstice. The front of the house will be facing away from the light source. The largest window is in the back of the house, facing the sun, allowing the most heat in. The greenhouse effect is an increase of the average temperature on Earth. We chose certain materials of high specific heats to insulate our house and make it like a greenhouse and create our own greenhouse effect. The size of our windows were chosen because we wanted them big enough to gain heat and sunlight, but also small enough not to lose heat. Thanks for watching. Yeah.